Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to explore the functionalities of Antigravity, which is an AI powered code editor which was released by Google. So in this video we are going to learn how we can actually download the Antigravity, and we are going to learn the different functionalities and how it is different from Cursor or VS. So first, when you come to this page, you can see over here you can download the Antigravity for Windows. So you need to click on this. Currently, I'm not going to click on this because I already have downloaded this file. Once the file is downloaded, you can go through the installation steps. For example, it will ask you what kind of theme that you would like to have, and it will also ask you how you're going to use the anti-gravity. You can choose it as an assistant, AI assistant for your projects. So since I already have done that, I am going to directly open the anti-gravity. So over here you can see I have this UI. This UI is similar to VS Code and Cursor. On this side you can see we have files, search, source control, debug, and extensions. These are all same as Cursor or VS Code. Also this bar is same as VS Code and Cursor, and here you can see all the projects files. In the middle you can actually see the project files, we are going to do that right now. And here you can see the chat option where you can actually chat with the AI agent. Now here you can see there are a couple of models that are available. Currently I'm using Claude Sonnet 4.5, and on the top you can see there's this thing called Open Agent Manager, which is actually a new feature. I think this is not available in Cursor or VS Code. This is basically like a AI agent orchestrator, meaning we can actually create multiple agents and assign tasks to those agents. We are going to also see that in later in this video. And here you can see there's this open browser thing. So for example, if I click on this, the first time when you are doing this, it might ask you for login with your Gmail, but I already have logged in, so it is not asking me anything. It just says anti-gravity browser control. So basically, why do we need this? So anti-gravity comes with the capability of opening the browser and actually debugging itself, or doing the unit tests. So for example, if we develop a project, then what it is going to do is it is going to also test the project inside the Chrome browser. So that is a new capability that it has. So currently we are going to close this, and here you can see the chat option. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this Open Agent Manager, and that is going to open the Agent Manager, which is basically an orchestrator. So there's this command Control E to go back to the editor, and Control E to come back to the Agent Manager. Now here you can see we can start a new conversation. Here you can see there are different workspaces, meaning currently I am in the demo workspace, but you can also have different workspaces over here, and here you can see the playground. Now what I'm going to do is currently I have some past conversations, like here you can see what are the things that I did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually delete this past conversation so that I can start freshly. Again, I'm going back to the Agent Manager, either by clicking Control E or by clicking on this one. Here now what I'm going to do is I am going to create a new project. Let me just close this. Let's see. OpenAI agent. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is let me also just check the inbox is basically like all the like how we have email inbox where we can see emails which are coming to us. Also here you can see all the notification related stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going again here, and I'm going to start a new conversation, or start a conversation. We can click on this one as well. So it is going to start a new conversation for us. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to actually build an application which is maybe, let's say, weather app. So can you build a weather app in simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript with some mock data? The weather, build a weather app, sorry, weather app. The weather app should show data related to different cities. So we are going to give this prompt to the AI agent. Also, now there is a possibility for you to actually create one more conversation. Like you can start conversation over here, which is completely new. Like you can actually execute multiple tasks in parallel, or maybe we can call it simultaneously. So my actually this weather API app is going to be created over here. So let's see, let me create a stunning design that will awe you. So it is actually running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more conversation where here I can see like can you provide me with a JSON file which has data related to multiple cities weather. So we are going to run this one as well. We're going to go back to this weather app related stuff. So let's see what it is doing. It is actually building a weather app for us. So let's just wait for it. It has created index.html. Let me see how this one is going on. So basically we can actually run these in parallel. That was not available in, that is not available in Cursor or VS Code. So here we can actually simultaneously run both the AI, both the agents at the same time. So here you can see these two are currently running. So it is like an inbox where we get the notification from the AI agents that are running. So I think this has something to tell us. So let's see. So yeah, now this is created. Also, let's see, this is also, yeah, this is also created with JSON data. So I'm going to actually go to the open editor. So here you can see actually the files which the agents have created. Also Control E again, going back. So yeah, now I'm just going to reveal this in File Explorer, and let's just open this in Chrome. Now here you can see it has created this beautiful UI, this data for us. So what I'm going to do now is let's see, generate weather data. Yeah, not this. So we are going to the again to the prompt where we actually asked it to create this weather API. I'm going to ask is, can you actually open this and do the testing for me? So let's see what it does. I just asked it to do testing for me. So now here you can see agent is using the browser. Here you can see, not this, maybe. Let me see. I think this is the one where it is, yeah, let's see. Okay. It's basically agent is actually using the browser in the backend itself, and it's also rendering the playback. We can see that playback once it is ready. I think maybe it was confused between these things that we have opened. So let's just close them and let's see, accept. Quickly review this. Here also you can see all the things. I think now it has automatically opened the browser. Open Agent Manager. Now let's see. Yeah, now you can see it has actually opened that localhost port 8080 for it to test. Let's see. Here you can see it is basically testing some getting document object models, and it's also taking the screenshots. So let's go back again. Let's see. Scrolling in browser. Yeah. Scrolled in browser. Because it is going to give us the playback also, like how we did the testing. Now here you can see it is actually testing all the functionalities that the weather now has. Like here also we have this search button, right? So it is putting some text into that, and it is also testing if it is working or not. If we navigate to the editor, I think this is exactly same as cursor or VS Code, where we can actually over here we can edit the files, and on this side we can do the chat. So the new thing in this one is this agent manager, where we actually orchestrate things, like we can run different AI agents at the same time. Also we have the connectivity with the Chrome browser, right? So that is something new that is provided in this. So basically it was taking too much time because it was trying to test all the functionalities, and I think it would take a lot of time. So I just stopped it and just asked for the playback, so I can view like what it has already recorded, and what all the screenshot it took. I can see. Okay, let me create a walkthrough. I think it is again trying to do the same thing, but I'll show you the playback. This is something this is how something the playback looks. So here it will basically do the testing for itself. So if you are new to my channel, and if you like this video, and if you would like to see more of these kind of videos, I think you should subscribe to my channel. Thank you.